Please.
Responsibility that you are entrusted on him. Permit me, Your Excellency, to read it. I know you know so much about him before you came, where you obtained the Bachelor of Science in 1991 as a member of the 30 regular course and was commissioned into the Nigerian Army as a second lieutenant. General Musa has of current defense studies in China. General Musa has gone through combined line component of commanders and headquarters into one division, commanding officer 73 Battalion, assistant director operational department. He was also the infantry representative on the training team. On this note, I will ask the Minister of Defense designate to please step forward to take this call.
I, General Prof.Mgbeke Musa, retired, OFR, do solemnly swear that I will faithfully and bear true allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, so help me God. Oath of office are: do solemnly swear I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that as Minister of the Government of the Federation, I will discharge my duties to the best of my ability, faithfully and in accordance with the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and the law, and always in the interest of sovereignty, integrity, solidarity, well-being of Nigeria. That I will strive to preserve the fundamental objective and directive principles of state policy contained in the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. That I will not allow my personal interest to influence my official conduct or my official decisions. That I will, to the best of my ability, preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. That I will abide by the Code of Conduct contained in the 5th Schedule to the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. That in all circumstances, I will do right to all manner of people according to the law, without fear or favor. I directly or indirectly communicate or reveal to any person any matter which shall be brought under my consideration, or shall become known to me as Minister of the Government of the Federal Federation, except as may be as Minister. So help me God. Thank you very much.
Congratulations. Congratulations. Thank you.
Senate President, NSA, the Chief of Defense Staff.
Handshake.
Okay. NSA, sir. NSA.
Thank you, sir. Musa.
Bishop. Okay. Bishop. This way. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
All right, sir.
Expectation is huge.
Yeah, so what would be your immediate priorities from that?
My immediate priority is to make sure that defense takes its place fully in the country. The synergy between the armed forces, and other security agencies, and all Nigerians being carried along, as we have always said, that security is everybody's responsibility. It is that synergy that we need to build on and work on it, and that's what we're going to. And I can assure you, within the shortest possible time, Nigerians will see results. I want to use this medium to appreciate all Nigerians. Nigerians have shown me love, and I will guarantee them that I am going to work whatever it takes to ensure that Nigeria is secured, working together. Yes, I just met Mr. President, and he reiterated his mind on the aspect that we must make sure that Nigeria is secured. Nigerians should go back and sleep with their eyes closed, go back to their farms, schools open without being molested, everyone being carried together to make sure that Nigeria continues to grow in line with the renewed program of the Mr. President.
First of all, I'm wearing two caps. I'm representing the Sultan of Sokoto. We were at a meeting because he was born in Sokoto, and I'm in Sokoto, and he's from Southern Kaduna, and I was born in Southern Kaduna. So the Sultan knows I'm here, and he brings his greetings. But look, I mean, everybody knows what the problem is. We just need restoration of normalcy in this country by any means possible. And I think that this job is in very good hands. It does seem very clearly that the president wants to reposition the issues of security, and I think the situation is in very good hands. I miss that, but we are on all fours as far as that is concerned. Look, rain, thunder, sunshine, whatever it takes to get this mess under control. These guys need to be flushed out. Normalcy needs to return to our country. Laughter and joy has to come back to Nigeria within the shortest time possible. All we do is to pray for the best.